Welcome everyone, this is Pablo from Style Systems, your exclusive and personal image consultant. For more information, go to stylesystems.com.mx so you can find out everything that I do. So in this video, I'm going to cover how to arrange your wardrobe so it makes your life more easy, so it becomes more efficient every time you wake up in the morning after you take a shower, what to do, Sometimes you don't know what to wear simply because your wardrobe is just a fucking mess. So that's why I'm going to show you some simple techniques so that when you wake up, it's easier for you to take your clothes out and wear what's best for you. Sometimes you lose your items because really it's just a fucking mess. You don't know where your jeans at, you don't know where you left that beautiful dress shirt. Or come with me because I want to show you how to arrange very simply, this is very basic, how to arrange your wardrobe, and hopefully it will make sense for you. Okay, a ver. So as you can see, I have it stored I have it arranged like this, okay? I have my suit jackets or my blazers over here. Then I have my button-up shirts. Then you move on to t-shirts, okay? That's how you need to do it. I mean, this is very simple. Of course, this is not all of my clothes, but the simpler you make it, it's gonna be easier for you, okay? So you have it like this, okay? You have your jackets, then you have your button-up shirts, and then you have your t-shirts. Then suit pants, then I have my jeans, then I have like joggers, some joggers which just have like some very neat kind of sweatpants. So that's gonna make it easier for you, okay? Just by knowing that every morning, very simply, you just go out and this is a t-shirt section, okay? It's gonna make it easier for you, like okay, I'm just gonna grab the t-shirt, and then here are my jeans. It's gonna be easier for you. Now, it's better if you wanna really step it up, then choose the outfit that you're gonna wear the night before and then place it over here. For example, I can teach you right now how to do it. Okay, there you have it. I already arranged the things that I can wear, which is this blazer with this button-up shirt and then some dark jeans, okay? That's very, very simple. Then of course you need to think about your socks and the shoes, but we'll leave that for another video. So very simple and like that. It's gonna make it easier. It's gonna save you time. It's gonna save you energy. You're not gonna break your head by thinking what I'm going to wear tomorrow, man. Oh my God. So there you have it. You need to take care of your wardrobe because how you do one thing is how you do absolutely everything, correct? So if you have it really neat, if you have it really clean, and if you have it arranged and organized, it's gonna make your life easier, simpler. You're not gonna have to spend a lot of time and effort when it comes to knowing how to dress yourself and knowing how to improve with your style. Hopefully this makes sense to you. Keep sending me your questions, keep sending me your video requests, and write in the comments what do you think. Let me know if you are applying this and how it works for you, okay? Become the best version of yourself, and I will see you on the next one.